chicken.
Just get the eggs.
I'm like Hannah Montana. I know, I'm stealing your family. I'm sorry.
Let's go.
No attack. Get out.
Matthew, just get the eggs and get out. You got all three?
Yeah.
Come on, Tristan. Let's go. Oh, bubble. Ready? Go. Right. Ready? Set. Go.
Hurry up.
My tactic works.
Where'd you find the towel?
In here.
It's for rolling, but
Keeps the chickens away.
Oh! Dang, it's like Easter all over again. Here we go. Do not eat the eggs, Lizzie. Okay, here we go.
I wanted to see the
chicken
chicken.
dinner tonight, Grandpa. I'm sorry.
Well, darn.
They all did their job.
Guess we'll have to eat the
I wanted to
double
see
turkey.
them trap you in the chicken coop.
It did. It was freaky. I was gonna get stabbed. I was standing up there in that
Tristan, what is that?
no.
What is that? Chicken?
Come on, Tristan. Ready? Set. Go.